Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple and basic triangle shawl. This is a granny squares triangle shawl and it's for beginners. If you want to crochet someone and want to give them as a gift, this is for you. It's so fast crocheting and so simple. We start from the center and getting it bigger and bigger. I use 400 grams of yarn. I will give the yarn details in the video, and I use 8mm hook for this soft touch. I love it and I love the colors too. It's so beautiful. I like it very much. You can see that. If you want to make something handmade, I think this is so good for that. Hope you like it and you will try and you will do that easily. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful granny shawl. Let's start to crochet. I will use that quality of yarn, Trend Cake, Madame Tricot Paris, 100% of acrylic. I want to show you the colors. One of them 200 grams and 394 yards and 360 meters, and its color number 625. This one is 631, and its size is 3 light size. I will use that yarns together. We will make a magic ring. Like that. And grab my yarn. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. 3 for double crochet, 1 for space. Yarn over. Insert into that hole. Grab my yarn. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. It's a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same space, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into that hole again, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Totally make 3 double crochet and hold these 2 yarns with your fingers. Chain 2. Then make here 3 more double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 1 and make your last double crochet. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then pull that tail tightly and close that hole. I want to lock here, so I will grab these 2 yarns together and start with chain 4 always. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn my work. We will increase our shawl from start, from center and from the finishing point. Yarn over, insert into that first chain 1 space and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then not make any chains. Skip that 3 stitch and come to the center and make here 3 double, chain 2 and make 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Center always same. Yarn over and skip this 3 and come to last chain 1 space and make here 3 double crochet. Make your second increase. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and make last double crochet in the same space. because we make this chain 1 space for next row's increasing point. Always turn with chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn my work and start from the first chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, 1 and 2, yarn over, insert into the same and make 1 more double crochet. I have totally 3, yarn over, skip these 3 stitch, come to next between of these groups and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, yarn over and come to center and make here 3 double, 2, 3, chain 2, yarn over and make 3 more in the same space, center always same. Then sides not make any chains, always make 3 double in the space here. Skip this 3, come to between of these groups and make here 3 double crochet. Skip this 3, come to chain 1 space and make here 3 double. Don't forget last space, make your increase point. I make 3 double and not forget chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet in the same space. Always start with chain 4, 1, 2, 3 as a double crochet, 1 4 space and turn your work. Start with 3 double crochet, 2, 3, skip this 3, come to next, not make any chains, yarn over, insert next space and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip this 3, not make any chains, come to next group and make here 3 double, 1, 2, and 3. Skip this 3 and come to center, center always same, make 3 double, chain 2 and make 3 double in the same space, 1, 2, 3. Not make any chains, come here, make 3 double, not make any chains, skip this 3, come here, make 3 double, skip this 3, come to last space and make 3 double crochet. Not forget chain 1 and make last double crochet for the new row. Always repeat that until which size you want. I use 400 grams of yarn, and it's if you want to use a big shawl, you need minimum, the width is 108 centimeter. This is minimum. Okay, I use that shawl in 4 different type. I showed you. Hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.